Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got an unboxing for you, and it's one the kids are very excited about. It is Babacorn bricks, which is a Lego subscription box. This was very kindly gifted to us. We've had a few before and they're always awesome. The girls, especially Mika, absolutely love Lego. So we're very excited to unbox this one. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. It is £17.95 a month plus postage and packaging. I do have a discount code, I think. If I can find it, I'll put it on the screen for you guys, or I'll link it down below where you can get a little bit of money off. But yeah, for anyone that loves Lego, it's a really fun box. It's sometimes a box, sometimes a bag. I think it's a bag again this month. And there's different themes. You get at least 10 different Lego themed things in it. We've had crayons and stickers and all proper Lego things. We've had sweets, which the girls are always happy about. But yeah, they're in the garden. I've told them that I just have to film the intro, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna undo it, because it came earlier and they've been desperate to open it, but with the baby we thought it was best to wait until he's gone to bed. So he is currently being put to bed by Daddy, and we're gonna play with some Lego. So if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Yeah. Should we open a box, Mika?
Yeah, I love Lego, I love Lego, I love Lego.
I know you do.
This has a big bit of Lego in my room.
How much Lego have you got in your room?
This much?
Wow, that's a lot.
I have Playmobil.
You have Playmobil.
Which one?
So we have come out in the garden to open our Babacorn bricks because it's nice and cool now. The sun has gone in. It's been very hot today, hasn't it?
Yeah. And
why are your guys' lips pink?
Because the lemonade, I think.
Someone turned our lemonade pink.
Yeah.
Look at this. And it's a dress on the front. It says Fishy. Who's Fishy?
Me!
Who's Cheesy?
Me!
And who's Potato?
Foxy,
Foxy
and
man.
he's gone to sleep.
He's gone to bed. So,
It's a bag?
look at this. It's
It's
a
a
bag. Look.
I didn't know it was bad.
It says, oops, I bought more bricks again instead of food. Babacorn bricks, your monthly brick fix straight to your door. Right, so I'm going to pull things out. Whoa, this looks cool. So this is telling us, it's animal antics. What did you want this one to be today, Ari? You said a zoo, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's animal antics.
I want to
Sit back, sit down, calm. Calm. Right. So the first thing we've got is a parrot, and it says, Fishy and Cheesy, we chose this item especially for you. So every month there's like certain things that go in the box, and then there's things that get put in as like specifics for each child.
I like parrots.
So this is a parrot one. This is one Lego item chosen just for you between £3 and £6. So that is what that one is. That's cool.
Because the parrot.
This. What is this?
Let me see it. I know. What is it?
I don't know what this one is.
It's like a crafty kit. It's like a crafty
It is a craft kit.
We did that.
Wow. So this, I don't know what we're supposed to make with this. But we've got feathers and stickers
We
and
don't
glittery
like
paper.
feathers, so I just collect them.
We've got a stamp with a buzzy bee on.
I want to see.
We've got pom-poms.
I want to see the stamp.
Wow. We've got stickers.
Let me
That
see
is
the
so
sticker.
cool. Oh, I've got to put this little baby feather in that escaped. So that looks fun. We will post a picture of what we make on my Instagram stories and tag Babacorn bricks. Okay. Uh-oh.
What's coming?
Uh-oh.
What is it?
Uh-oh. Have you guys had a treat after your dinner?
No.
What is that?
Chocolate!
Lego chocolate.
I can't have this one.
Is it because it's the biggest? So we've got Lego chocolate. This is yummy Belgian chocolate brick treat from our friends at Chocolate Moments. That is so cool.
Yeah, I never saw a chocolate Lego.
Chocolate Lego. That's lovely.
I can make chocolate Lego.
I just don't know. Right, we've got
What's this?
Unikitty. You like these, didn't you? You had these last time. They
We
love
had the
these.
farting one. We had the farty one.
This is £2.95. We've got, oh, you're not going to want this one.
What is
It's a
it?
kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
So this is a challenging nano bricks tabby, an amazing 134 piece build worth £10. And these little Lego bits, let me show you, they're tiny.
Yeah.
This is going to be one that Daddy's going to have to help with.
I think I saw a little bit.
Look how little these little Lego bricks are.
What?
They are
We can't do tiny Lego bricks, only like
normal.
Like this bit.
Yeah, well Daddy will help you.
This one.
Okay. Alright, Babacorn Bricks Buddies book. And
Buddies?
issue 2 of our mini comic. Birthday announcements can be found inside. Wow. It's a Lego book.
Wow.
How cool is that? A word search. Mika loves a word search. Wow. Look at all that Lego. How cool is that? We'll have to have a look at that later, won't we?
Yeah. Oh, look at that!
Yeah. So cool.
We have an Easter bunny one.
Right, now, look at this. This is a cute little brick box to store all your special things in. How cute is that? And he's got a little tiny, Yoda in it. I'm hoping you guys can see that.
Let me see it.
I'm trying to block Mika's face. The camera focuses. That's Yoda. And look at this little box. How cute is that?
See the little thing.
Mummy's going to keep this box.
Yeah.
Because there's only one of them.
Yeah.
And you two will fight. Won't you?
We'll share.
Right. Now we're getting down to the Lego figures.
Lego figures!
Yeah. Here you go. This one for you.
Thank you. Look, guess
You get little Lego collectible figures every month and the Lego cards.
They're really good.
They're really good. You just love this box, don't you?
Oh!
Oh, and it's got a little parcel in it. And everything is hand wrapped, which to me, I just think that's amazing. I think it's so nice.
It has a cat on it.
So I have got Michelangelo. And I've got a little sticker.
I have a moose and this.
And then we got lots of Lego cards.
I got this one.
And a Babacorn brick sticker. You building it, Mika? Put it down here and build it, babe.
I don't know.
And you get all these super cool little.
This one.
Oh, you've got. Who is that? I don't know. We've got this one. I don't know who this is. With 4 arms.
I have this sticker.
Wow.
Lovely. I love it.
You love it. Uh-oh. More sweeties.
Sweeties.
Who's yours, Ari? Yours has got a fishy.
Huh?
I think that's because your name is Fishy.
Hope it's not. I don't know who this one is at all.
A pilot. And Ari got a sheriff.
He has a walkie-talkie.
A walkie-talkie.
Oh.
I think you need to try this.
Yes.
What do you reckon?
The big one.
You're not having the whole thing.
Okay.
Right. Right. Bite it. How good is that?
So good.
That is yummy, isn't it? So yeah, that was our Babacorn bricks. What do you say? Thumbs up? Subscribe? And what do we say to Babacorn bricks for sending it?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's so lovely of you. The girls get so excited whenever they get this.
I haven't got any chocolate still in my mouth.
Yeah. I'll put all the pictures in at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.